Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sktacademy. Before start learning AutoCAD tools, let's discuss one of the important topic of line drawing methods. There are three types of line drawing methods. In this video, we will discuss the first one. So the first one is DDE or DDM, direct distance entry, or you can call it direct direction method. Let's do it practically in AutoCAD. So I will open AutoCAD. For line tool, we will enter L here. My units are in inches, so I selected architecture and I selected precision 1/4. It doesn't matter, you can draw it in any drawing units. And you can turn on and off the grid. F7 is the shortcut key. So for you, I will turn off to see it clearly. Now I will enter L. You can type in L here and then press enter. Now you can see here, specify the first point. You can click anywhere in the drawing area. Click here and you can see now. So what direct direction method or direct distance entry is, you give a direction by mouse and you can give it a length by typing the keyboard keys. So if I want to draw a straight line, for this I will turn on the auto. You can see here, and the shortcut key for this is F8. So click here or press F8. Now my line is straight on the x-axis and on the y-axis. Now for the next point, I will enter some numbers. For example, 6. It means 6 inches. Enter. You can see here. Now I want to draw a line 10 inches upwards on the y-axis and then press enter. You can see here. Again, give it direction by mouse and then again press enter number 6. Enter. Now you have two options, C for close or type in 10. Enter. Escape to close the command or to cancel the command. You can see here. So by this method, this is a simple method, the simplest of all. Draw a line. Again, L for line, give it a direction 3 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 2 inches. So you can practice it. 7 inches, 2 inches, 1 inch, 4 inches, 3 inches, 2 inches, again 2 inches. Now 4 inches, 1 inch, and again 2. And click here, for example. Press escape. So this is how you can try direct direction method or direct distance entry. I hope you guys like my video. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it, and so do comments. See you in next videos.